Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to my out of office. Welcome back to my hustle. Spending another great day down in southern Florida, Sanibel Island. Yesterday, we just will talk about yesterday. Today brings its new set of challenges. Nice and early, 7 a.m. You got to get up. You got to experience things. You got to hustle. But with today's New Year's Eve, so Happy New Year's to everyone. Hope it's going to be a great one. On my side, the big issue so far this morning is forgot to make plans, and most things are sold out. So today is probably going to be a pretty relaxing day. Overall, in terms of getting a lot done, exploring, not sure that it'll happen, but gonna definitely have to get a party for New Year's Eve going on, so it'll be a good one. And I'm sure there's lots to do here. This beautiful sunrise is just absolutely amazing. I'm getting some great pictures of it for my stock photo to use for some backgrounds. I'm sure there's 1,000,001 sunsets out there, or I mean sunrises, but just something that captivates me, so I'm gonna put it out there, hopefully sell a few pictures, share the process with all of you as we move forward. So yeah, let's see what this day brings.